For many women, rebuilding their lives after involvement with the justice system, the path forward can feel uncertain. Finding employment is only one part of the journey. True stability requires opportunity, support, and access to the right resources. At Arouet, our mission is to restore individuals, rebuild families, and strengthen our community. Each year, we support hundreds of justice-impacted women across Arizona as they work toward sustainable careers and long-term economic stability. Our work is guided by the Thrive Continuum, a structured pathway designed to help participants move from survival to stabilization to sustainability with the ultimate goal of thriving. Each participant works alongside a success navigation team. What we do is identify goals, overcome barriers, and create a clear path toward long-term economic mobility. Through this framework, Arouet provides coordinated support that helps our participants thrive. When workforce opportunity and financial capability come together, lives change. Families stabilize, communities grow stronger, and new futures become possible. Restoring individuals, rebuilding families, strengthening communities. Let's thrive together. We are Arouet.